Hello and namaste everyone. Hope you all are doing good at your home during this 21 days lockdown. And I know you all are getting bored at home. For that, I have some activity to do. So, are you excited? On behalf of Siddharth Foundation, I Chetna Sharma welcome you all to this handicraft tutorial. So, for this DIY handicraft tutorial, we need a leftover cardboard and papers. Here I have taken 3 colored papers. You can, if you want to, you can use any color. Okay. Next, you need a glue, scissor, thread and needle. Here I have 2 types of stones and some pearls. We will draw a star on this cardboard, and I have already made a star and cut it out. After that, the same way you have to draw 3 stars and you have to cut it. I already have 3 stars over here. Now the next step is we are going to stick a colorful paper on it. For that, we are going to take one star and a colorful paper. Take a tube of glue and apply a glue on it, on the star. Okay, we have applied glue on the star. Now we are going to stick this on the paper. Likewise, I have stuck all the stars in these black papers. Now we are going to cut these stars. For cutting these stars, we are going to use a scissor. So let's start cutting it. Okay, now we have done with all our 3 stars. The next step is decorating these stars. For that, I am going to cut strips of the another colorful papers. First one is pink. Likewise, we are going to cut strips of both the colorful papers like this, green and pink. So now for decoration, I am going to apply glue on the star. How you have to apply the glue, please see here. From here you have to start and you have to make a straight line to the other end. Stick a strip over it. And now cut the extra portion here. Like this only, you have to stick the another strip over here. So, I have completed my stars with these colorful straps. Now we are going to stick pink strip on it. For that, apply a glue here near the green strip and put the pink strip on it. Like this. Complete the whole star with pink strips. Okay, after applying the pink strip, the star will look like this. Now we are going to stick stones over it. For that, see here, we'll only put the stones on the corners first. Okay, for that I am going to take these stones. Now we'll put like this on the glue applied. Now we are going to apply the glue on the center and put this round shaped stone over here. Now we are going to use these petal shaped stones. We call it kundan. Now make a flower over here. For that, apply glue here and put the stones over the glue. Like this. So the flower is ready and it will look like this. Likewise, we are going to make all the 3 stars. Now after sticking stone in the corners, we are going to stick stone over here in the center. So see here. Apply the glue and start putting on the stones over it. Likewise, I have completed my all stars with the center. I am keeping it simple. If you have any more ideas to decorate it, you can. Now we are going to join these 3 stars with the help of a mala, which I have made with the help of thread and needle. It will look like this. I am going to join these 3 stars with these malas. Now take the stars, turn it and apply a glue over it on both the stars. And stick the thread on the glue. Now for support, I have these small straps. I am going to stick it over the thread to strengthen the support. The same way we are going to do with the third star. Apply glue on the first and second star. Now take the mala and stick on the stars. Again, take a strap and put it over the thread. Again, stick the strap over the thread. Now we are going to stick one more layer of mala in between these malas. Now let it dry. After that we are going to add one more layer of mala. Now as we can see, it is dry now. Now we will start with our next layer. So again apply glue on both the stars and stick a mala and put a strap on it. Same we are going to do with this. Now I have completed all the 3 stars with the malas. Now again we will let it dry. Now as you can see, our wall hanging is ready. Now fold a paper strip like this. And apply a glue on the top of the first star. Now stick the first corner here and fold it and stick it the other end on top of the first end. To hang this wall hanging on the wall, you need this. Stick a strap over it for the support and let it dry. So guys, our wall hanging is ready. Now you can also make it at your home during this 21-day lockdown. And remember, the material which I have used, these are at my home. Don't go outside to buy them. Thank you.